Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 Ford Focus. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Pirelli tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the rear seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have cruise controls mounted to your steering wheel, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Focus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.